Hello everyone. Frequently people have questions about how to replace this air duct. It's either missing or it's been replaced with some garbage in the past like duct tape or metal or something weird. These ducts themselves are easily available. I think Dwight Heinmuller has them, packardparts.org. Max Merritt has them, which is packardparts.com. And there's also some other place you can get them from because it's like some organ blower duct or something. But anyway, regarding the actual installation, what you want to do is start on the end here where the the wire inside ends, and you can sort of just screw this thing on, get it hooked on, pull this over, and then start screwing it on. And this is very much a two-hand job, and I only have one hand, the other hand's recording, so I can't really demonstrate that. But that'll get it on one side. Obviously, you can't screw it on the other side, though. Or can you? Because you can actually just screw the... you can rotate this entire thing. And again, it's two hands, so I can't demonstrate it 100%. But all you have to do to get this thing loosened up, and again, you can only do this on the driver's side. But the driver's side is the harder one because these two things don't even align. That duct is held on with only 3 screws. There's 2 that are right up here, just here and here, and I know I have the entire grill and etc. off, but it's really quite easy to access it with all that stuff on. The only thing you have to do is take off this top splasher, which is a little annoying. Do not use an impact because you can break the grill, but just use a ratchet, crack all the bolts loose, spin them off, and you'll take the top splasher off, and then you can access these no problem. The third one is right under here, and again, of course, I have the car jacked up and the wheel off, but you can access this with the car on the ground and the wheel on. It's just a little more awkward. It's right there, no biggie. And you can just take those 3 screws out and then rotate your duct there. I will tell you for completeness sake that, well, it's easier to see up here. So these have this kind of captive screw thing. There we go. This sort of, what do they call those? Like the screw is kind of stamped into the metal. I forget the name off the top of my head, but sometimes those can work loose, especially if the thing's really rusty. So if your screws are starting to spin, then yeah, maybe it should just be left alone. But a lot of times you can pull them out real easily, and then by being able to spin this thing around, you'll be able to spin the duct on and actually get it on a lot easier than trying to work it on with your hands over time. Just wanted to share that tip. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more like this. Any questions or comments, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you later.